Hey, what's going on? It's Bruno Gama here, founder of the Dads on Fire project. Welcome back to another episode. I'm very excited to be here. And this past week, I was doing research. I was on my computer doing some research about what is the condition of our society in terms of health? What's happening to the health of our dads nowadays? And what I found, my friends, is not good news. I don't have any good news for you here, but at the end, actually, I'm going to be sharing something that I believe to be the solution for this. But before that, let me tell you what I found from this research. Man, it's scary. Chronic diseases right now are on the rise. More heart disease, more diabetes, more cancer, more Alzheimer, more everything. It just keeps growing and growing. Dads are getting fatter and fatter. Obesity keeps growing. People are getting more depressed. People are getting more anxiety, more stress, more disease in general. It's not good at all. And then I was doing a little bit of research about, okay, so what is the solution? What are people actually offering for our society, for our dads as a solution for these problems, right? Okay, because, all right, we know what's happening. We know that it's very, very scary. It's not looking good at all. So what are we doing to solve this huge problem that we are facing nowadays? Because this is a huge problem, my friends. Like I mentioned before, having a dad bod is dangerous. Having a dad bod puts you in high risk for a lot of diseases, like I mentioned. It's not just a sign of, just not a physical appearance. It's not just that. Yes, this is huge. Of course, you want to be looking good naked. You want to be fitting on your shirt, on your jeans, on your pants. You want to be looking good naked, right? Of course, that it is important for your self-esteem. Totally agree with you, but it's much bigger than that. If you're having a dad bod right now, if you are overweight or you are obese, you are in high risk for all of these chronic diseases that I mentioned and for premature death as well. Okay? Think about this for a second. Premature death. Very scary stuff. So let's go back to the solution talk here. And it pisses me off what I found. And sorry, I am on a rant right now, but this is important to be shared. I need to get out of my heart. I need to get out there, and you need to hear this. You need to understand this, because what people are offering you as the solution is a joke. All that they offering, all they are telling you, all these healthy fitness gurus are telling you, all of this, people who are telling you how to lose weight, how to be healthy, how to change your body, how to transform your life, they are telling that all you need is to go on a diet. They are telling you that all you have to do is just exercise more, all you have to do is just eat less. All they are telling you is that, just take this recipe guide here and follow these recipes here. Just follow this meal plan. They are selling you meal plans. They are giving you meal plans for free, telling you that this is the solution for your problem. Or take this workout plan here and go work out like this. Or take this guru here. Hey, check it out. Look how hot I am. Look at my six-pack abs. Look at my body. And if you just do the way I do it, you're also going to be getting the results that I got. All BS, my friends. For God's sakes, I give this as bonus inside of my private programs. I give this for free for my clients. It's as a bonus. Meal plans, workout routines, recipe guides. These are my bonus. It's unbelievable. It is ridiculous what they are doing to you, what the fat loss industry is doing to you right now. It is freaking unbelievable. It is freaking scary. We have to change. We have to fight this industry. We have to fight these big guys, because they are just hurting you. I'm telling you, they're hurting you. They're just saying, just follow this plan, just follow this diet, just try the keto diet, just try the vegan diet, just try the vegetarian diet, just try the fucking you name it diet. They are going to be coming up with more diet names and all of that crap that doesn't give you the results, the satisfaction that you're looking for. It doesn't give you the body, the health. It doesn't give you the solution for your problems right now. I'm telling you, this has to change. And you are part of this change. I want to call your attention to that as well. You are part of the change. Don't fall for this trap. Don't fall for the fitness guru. Don't fall for the fat loss industry who is just trying to make a buck out of you. Please, please, for your family, don't fall for this trap. So now you're probably wondering, all right, I got it, I understand, I have a problem, right? The first thing it is to admit that you have a problem. That's totally fine. It's not your fault. What is happening to your health right now, what's happening to your body right now, it's not even your fault. The one to be blamed is the wrong formula, the wrong methods, the wrong system that you're using to solve these problems. This is the real problem. So what is the solution? Well, since 2011, I embarked on a journey that I went on a quest to find out what the hell is going on. How can I solve this problem? What do I need? And since then, I've been studying, I've been applying, I've been learning from the best in the world. And I truly believe that the way for you to get out of this situation right now is by only knowing and doing and applying three simple things in your life. I call this the DOF system, D-O-F. Thing number one, it's called direction. You need to have the right, okay, and this is important, the personalized for your own lifestyle, the lifestyle of a busy dad, right? You are a busy dad if you're here, I assume. Your own genetics, okay, very important, your own lifestyle and your own genetic related to nutrition, to exercise, to metabolism, to detoxification, to digestion, to blood sugar regulation, to hormones, to all of this practical knowledge that you have to have in your life, tailored specifically for you. Very important word, tailored specifically for you. That's number one, direction. Pillar number two, outlook. Okay, it's called outlook. Outlook is all about your mindset. It's about the way you think, your habits. It's about learning how to create habits that's going to be sticking with you for the rest of your life, not just for the next week, not just for the next months even. I'm talking about for the rest of your life. Okay, that's number two. Learning how to create behavior change in your life, mindset. And pillar number three is called the field. Field is all about your environment, all about the people who you interact with, all the insights that you get from them, all the insights that you get from the media. It's about your environment itself, from the sun, from the nature, from the oxygen, from a bunch of stuff that I don't even, I cannot go into all of details, but basically field is all about the environment. And once you have these three pillars, the three of them, okay, the three of them, not one, not two, the three of them in place, it becomes virtually impossible to don't get the results that you're looking for. It becomes virtually impossible to don't get rid of the Dad Bod once and forever, to be here for a family, to have the energy, the vitality, to play with them, to have more, to be more productive, to make more money, to live a happier and longer life. That's all we want, right? Avoiding chronic diseases and be here. And the beauty about the system that I'm talking about here, the DOF system, is that it only requires 15 minutes a day to learn. It's very, very simple. It's not easy. I'm not going to be telling that it is easy, because it's not, but it's simple. If you like simple, if you like real results, and if you like fast, in only 15 minutes, this is the system for you, for the busy dads, okay? Like I told you before, it has been an evolution since 2011 when I embarked on this journey. Now, if you want to learn much more about the system, totally for free, okay? I have a free training for you. Just go to BrazilianHealthNuts.com and check it out, You have nothing to lose, really. And if you want to know much more, or if I would love to hear your thoughts about the situation of our health, about, most importantly, about your own health situation. I love to go personal. I like to hear from you guys on a personal level. So send me a direct message, a DM on my Instagram. Just go to Dad's on Fire Project, okay? Dad's on Fire Project, that's my handle on Instagram, and send me a direct message about how can I help you, what would you like to hear inside of this, the podcast, the YouTube, wherever you are listening or watching this right now. Just please let me know how can I serve you better, how can I create more content personalized for your own life, and let me know what you think about this show. Just send me a direct message on Dad's on Fire Projects on Instagram, all right? And also, if you could do me a favor, please leave a review for the show. If you are listening to this on iTunes, I would super appreciate you very much. It helps a lot so that more people can find about the show and more people can learn about this message as well, so that they can also get rid of the Dad Bod forever in 90 days or less, without doing any crazy diets, without taking any supplements, without spending countless hours in the gym or depriving yourself from the good things in life, in just 15 minutes a day to master this whole system. Until then, make sure to take action so that you can become a Dad's on Fire. I'll see you on the next episode. Have a great day. Peace.